Yes, Ashwin.
Yeah. Yeah, please. Everybody, please come.
Please, just sit down. Dr. Ravi. Yeah.
Please. You guys are the real heroes. Please. Ready? Yeah. Ganpati Bappa.
Unfortunately, been through Atlas.
Yeah. Though I hardly remember anything.
Yes, it's a good thing. So this is, if you say, is the most advanced cath lab today in Mumbai. Obviously, technology keeps changing, so more advanced will come in. But as on date today, this is the most advanced. It has two places.
Although it is very, because time is very crucial, we have long procedures. We have to open up the vessel as early as possible. Earlier, to open distribution of blood circulation is good. Patient is immediately recovered without any it's a very sophisticated, very comprehensive, high specification unit.
So this thing is exactly where the
Yeah, and we can treat those problems very well because the vision, quality of image, as well the time, the radiation exposure, is half of what we have in the center. So there's two machines that are the same. Usually, the body cardiologists we do on a single thing. We have both. So simultaneously, we see lateral, front, and
arms are two arms.
Otherwise, it's just like equal to two machines working at the same time. So it's called biplane cath lab. I'd like to emphasize more importantly, I mean, you don't remember, but if people are usually conscious when they come. So if you see that, it's a skylight we have given. So when they lie down, they are as if with nature, the mood lighting, so as to give
much of thought goes into
yeah,
this.
and there is a window which opens towards daylight, so as to comfort the patient when they are undergoing a procedure. Many a times we have almost conscious patients who will be going through an elective procedure. That's something unique as cath lab.
And the mood lighting was something which the doctors requested.
Yeah, this is
It's blue lights. So you can put up all the lights. And if it's a long procedure, a 3-hour procedure, they can just do it with the mood lighting.
we can switch that off.
That experience. Yeah.
This is what it will be like when we are actually on the
I have that because minimally feel like you are at in a hospital.
As it is the moment you walk in the food scene, I'm in the hospital. Amazing. No, I just remember, when I was in the cath lab, so many of them talking. Someone was talking and someone was trying to say, music लगा है सर, music लगा है, the moment I would music चाहिए. अच्छा ये वो लगा, नीले अंबर में लगा.
That provision is there.
Literally, they played that song and then someone said, "Arey aarti waarti lagao," and then I was out again.
So half of that is to comfort the patient, the other half is to comfort the doctor also.
He's the one who has
Very good.
This good a shape. Thanks to these guys.
So there are some sizing issues with respect to the lumen. So we had to redo the whole thing. But even the Philips program, what the machine does for us, they're also amazed to see that how did you fit in an equipment like this in a space, utilize every nick and corner.
And there's still some.
Yeah, there's a lot of space.
I mean, no one would say that space was an issue. Look at that.
we'll have one photo, so
Sure,
the
sure.
doctors
Yeah,
see you here.
We can have multiple images. This is the place for that.
I think that side is the, that side you are from here.
Ready? Thank you.
Auspicious occasion, we are in traditional from the normal suits. Everybody was finding difficulty finding where is our
सर इकडे
So we want some words from you to say about this.
Oh, I mean, I'm just totally amazed, firstly. And I'm sure, I mean, now that I know kind of what it is, I was reading about it and it said that, it has 2 C-arms equipped with 2 C-arms which can give multiple images in one swift move. And I said, wow, what is that? So I had no clue, but now I know pretty much, considering I was in a cath lab myself for some time. But what I did realize is time is of essence. Because when I was heading to the hospital, there was a time when I saw the hospital, and the next moment I know my face went numb and I passed out. So I guess every minute, every second that we save is critical, and I guess if we can use technology to the best of its advantage, and with equipment like this, it's going to save a lot of lives. And I'm, if I have to come to a hospital, then I would rather be at Gleneagle. Not only because it's a 7-star facility, it makes you feel at home more than anything, but I think the team of doctors that you all have here is phenomenal, and big round of applause to all. But you never know. But I think I would rather be at Gleneagle being safe hands if I have to ever be in a hospital. So I'm just glad to be here and truly honored. And I hope a lot of people, they don't have to, but if they do, then they make use of this extremely outstanding facility that they have here and the team of doctors. I think, yes, equipment is one thing, but what really makes it special is the team that you have here. And I think you have a phenomenal team of doctors and the staff here. And wherever I go these days, I make it a point to thank the doctor fraternity for keeping me alive and making sure that I'm here right now. Cheers to all of you.
Cheers
Thank
to
you so
that.
much. Thanks a lot for being there for all of such facilities and equipment. I'm sure you will, because I keep reading about team of your doctors in newspapers at regular intervals. So I think you guys are doing, as it is, doing phenomenal work. So please continue with the same. All our good wishes. And on this auspicious occasion, what else can I ask for? Just success and happiness and good health for everyone. Thank you.
Wish you the same.
One more present.
Oh my God, sir.
Thank you for coming at such a short notice.
No, we love you. No, we love you. We love you. I love you. Shreeza has always been there, for our family whenever we've needed, and I'm sure it's not only Dada but the entire team. So it's a pleasure being here. Thank you. And actually, I'm seriously, but thank you. Thank you. Thank you. This is awkward. Thank you. Sir, seriously, just too impressed.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Lovely.
स्टार्ट सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हैप्पी गुड़ी पाड़वा टू यू और इतने शुभ अवसर पर आप यहाँ पे हैं तो जस्ट हाउ यू फील राइट नाउ
एक्चुअली गुड़ी पड़वा के दिन हॉस्पिटल में आना मतलब है ना, थोड़ा ऐसा लगता है कि अरे यार
सर,
hospital
center-
में आ रहे हैं। लेकिन आई थिंक आज बड़ा खुशी का दिन है, खुशी का मौका है और हॉस्पिटल में आना बनता है, क्योंकि यहाँ पे जो फैसिलिटी हम देख रहे हैं मेरे पीछे, इट्स अ बाईप्लेन कैंथ लैब। फ्रॉम वट एवर आई अंडरस्टैंड कि सबसे पहले तो इससे बहुत समय की बच्चे का क्रिटिकल समय जो पेशेंट को लगता है कि यहाँ आने के बाद में अगर कुछ इंटरवेंशन करना हो, ब्रेन का करना हो, हार्ट का करना हो, so this is a facility which is probably the best right now that we have in Mumbai, and probably the only corporate facility that we have here, and this is going to save a lot of time and save a lot of lives alternatively. So I think it's I'm very honored कि because मैं खुद भी इससे गुजरा हूँ तो मैं जानता हूँ कि वक्त कितना कीमती होता है, एक एक सेकंड कितना कीमती होता है, and if you can save that and have one of the best facility which can give you accurate diagnosis immediately, then I think nothing better than that. So I'm very happy to be here today.
सर डेवलपमेंट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी जो चेंजेस आया है आपने वो चेंज को देखा है जो आज हम इनॉग्रेशन आपने किया है तो आगे के ज़माने में कितना हेल्पफुल रहने वाला है लोगों
नहीं, अभी इनफैक्ट राइट नाउ इफ़ यू टॉक अबाउट इट्स गोइंग टू बी वेरी वेरी हेल्पफुल टू अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल। जो हॉस्पिटल भी हम पहले जैसे देखा करते थे, जब हॉस्पिटल में कोई एडमिट होता था तो पेशेंट और फैमिली सारे ही सफ़र करते थे, बट आज आप अगर देखेंगे तो इट्स अ 7-star फैसिलिटी, जहाँ ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग चाहेंगे कि अगर हॉस्पिटल में आते हैं तो कुछ लोग बोलते नहीं यार यहीं अच्छा लग रहा है, घर नहीं जाना चाहेंगे, बिकॉज इट्स नॉट ओनली अबाउट द प्लेस बट इट्स ऑल्सो अबाउट द पीपल। जो डॉक्टर्स की टीम यहाँ पर है, स्पेशली ग्लेनिगल में जो टीम है, जिस तरीके से अलग अलग जो स्पेशलिस्ट आपको चाहिए सारे ही यहाँ पे अवेलेबल है, एंड प्लस जो जगह इन्होंने जिस तरीके से बनाई है सिर्फ पेशेंट के लिए नहीं बट उनके रिलेटिव्स के लिए, आई थिंक इट्स वन ऑफ द बेस्ट फैसिलिटी। सो आई थिंक इट्स ट्रेडिशनल एंड मॉडर्न टेक्नोलॉजी का एक अच्छा फ्यूजन इज़ व्हाट दे मैनेज टू क्रिएट हियर।
सर बात करूँ आपकी आवाज़ इतनी बुलंद है तो पुष्पा का ट्रेलर टीजर देखा है आपने?
हाँ, अभी टीज़र में तो फिलहाल कुछ बोला नहीं है, अभी ट्रेलर मेरे ख्याल से आएगा, लेट्स सी, आई थिंक दे आर स्टिल शूटिंग, तो जब वो रेडी हो जाएगा तब उसके बारे में ज़्यादा बात करेंगे।
कुछ मैसेज देना चाहेंगे गुड़ी पाड़वा के दिन आपके फैंस और
नहीं, मैं मतलब सबको तो सबसे पहले तो गुड़ी पाड़व्याच्या खूप खूप शुभेच्छा, नवीन वर्षाच्या शुभेच्छा। मैं मतलब हॉस्पिटल में खड़ा हूँ, ये बिल्कुल नहीं मैं चाहूँगा कि कोई हॉस्पिटल में आए, लेकिन अगर आपको कभी ज़रूरत पड़े देन आई थिंक ग्लेनिगल इज़ वन ऑफ द बेस्ट फैसिलिटीज़ दैट वी हैव हियर टुडे विद सम ऑफ द बेस्ट इक्विपमेंट्स दैट वी हैव। तो बिल्कुल इसका यूज़ करना चाहिए, लोगों तक ये बात पहुंचनी चाहिए कि ये सारी फैसिलिटीज़ यहाँ पे अवेलेबल है एंड इट इज़ फॉर दैट एट देयर डिस्पोजल। सो इफ़ दे हैव टू यूज़ इट देन देयर इज़ अ प्लेस फॉर दैट व्हिच इज़ ग्लेनिगल।
थैंक यू सो
Thank you.
मच, थैंक यू
Thank
सो
you. वरपासून खालपर्यंत तुम्ही करताना स्कॅनिंग
ड्रेसिंग सेन्स सर्वांना बघायची असते ना.
थँक्यू सो मच.
किती वाटतं आता घरातनं बाहेर पडायचं? artist. Congratulations.
And his feedback is the most important. Yesterday only he gave me a feedback. How are you? How is your health?
और सर जो अभी यहाँ पे इनॉग्रेशन किया गया है उसके बारे में बताइए.
जी फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल पाडव्याच्या सर्वांना खूप खूप शुभेच्छा. नवीन वर्षाच्या शुभेच्छा. मी डॉक्टर नितीन डांगे, डायरेक्टर न्यूरो इंटरवेंशन ॲट ग्लेनेगल्स हॉस्पिटल. So today we are inaugurating a very comprehensive state-of-the-art intervention cath lab here. The technical advantage of this new machine, which is one of its kind in the city, will help the patients with mainly for neurovascular problems like stroke, brain hemorrhage, and it is one of the latest advanced what we call as a highly sophisticated equipment. What is the advantage is that people of Mumbai city and around will be getting benefit, that we will treat these patients of stroke and brain hemorrhage within early hours if they reach to us, and this is the fastest technology evolving, which will help to do the procedures fast, treat the diseases fast with precision. The advantage of this machine is there are two machines in the same equipment, and it is a high specification unit. That means the technology is incorporated for better outcomes, faster outcomes, low radiation, and good cure. So this is what technology helps us, especially in a complex field like neuro, and that's the boon to this society as well as the people around here who are going to get treated. I wish everybody that they have a healthy life. They should not get any brain or neuro problems, but in case they get, they can come to us and we can give them the best outcomes within fastest time. This is advancement is because of this minimal invasive. Earlier we used to do open operations. I used to do open operations, but nowadays we have shifted to without opening the skull, by treating majority of the vascular problems, the brain hemorrhage, stroke, heart problems on this machine and with a good outcome. So that's the importance of quality as well as the new technology which will help us to deliver better outcomes.
Thank you so much. Thank you.